guys! For this video, we are going to see what's inside the holiday starter bundle of Young Living. So we have 3 sets here, 3 boxes actually, but we are going to unbox only one. And we will see what's inside. So what is exactly inside the holiday starter bundle of Young Living? So we have the 9 oils here, including the Thieves Waterless Hand Sanitizer, which is this one. So for the oils, we have frankincense, and then we have grapefruit, we have bergamot, joy, lavender, thieves, peace and coming, peppermint, and lemon. So aside from these 9 oils here, we also have 2 more boxes inside the holiday starter bundle. So fresh from the box, here's the Sweet Aroma Compact Diffuser of Young Living and the leopard carrying case. So I'm holding now the Sweet Aroma Compact Diffuser. So it's just too cute. Yeah, so we'll just see what's inside. So yeah, it has silica gel. So I think we'll just have to put the oil and water here, and here's the ultrasonic machine, and just cover it, and that's it, compact as it is. And the leopard carrying case, so this is cool. Yeah. So there's a zippered pocket from here on top, and another pocket here, and room for oils. So there are like dividers here, garterized divider for oils. So we'll try to put some. So here it is, and we can put our Sweet Aroma diffuser inside. How I wish I can travel with this soon. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you wish to purchase any products from Young Living and you need some Young Living Enroller ID, my ID is 25140101. Bye guys, thank you for watching.